All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights and the door light controls, okay? The roof lights, the hood lights, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off, okay? So I'm sitting in the vehicle. As you can see, I'm in the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I am going to look up towards the ceiling, okay? Do you see this right here, okay? These right here are the lights. I will press one of them and it turns on, okay? They are turned on manually by myself, okay? In order to turn them off, I'm just gonna press them again, turn them off, okay? And so that's how you turn them on and off. And then there is a feature right here where you can control them, where you can they'll turn on with the door, okay? You can have them off completely to where you can't even turn them off like completely like that, or you can have them where they turn on with the door. So it's selected to the door, and when I open the door, the lights turn on, and then they turn off after I shut the door, okay? That's how you control the ceiling lights or the dome lights in the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Thanks a lot for watching.